1. In a circle of radius 10 cm, an arc subtends an angle of 90 degree at the center. Find the area of major sector. Answer D. 2. Answer C. 3. A student multiplied a number by 3 by 5 instead of 5 by 3. What is the percentage of error in the calculation? Answer 64%. 4. Find the value of. Answer 36. 5. On bicycle, a man cover 5 km in 26. How long can he go in 50 minutes? Answer 12.5 km. 6. Answer A. 7. A man, a woman and a boy can do a piece of work in 6, 9 and 18 days respectively. How many boys must assist one man and one woman to do the work in one day? Answer 13. 8. The LCM of two numbers is 20 times of their HCF and sum of LCM and HCF is 2520. If one number is 480, what will be the half of another number? Answer 300. 9. The rate of interest on a sum of money is 4% per annum for the first 2 years, 6% per annum for the next 4 years, and 8% per annum for the period beyond 6 years. If the simple interest accrued by the sum of for a total period of 9 years is rupees 1120, what is the sum? Answer 2000. 10. Answer minus 128. 11. In how many time will a sum of rupees 1600 amount to rupees 1852.20 at 5% per annum compound interest? Answer 3 years. 12. Find out the missing term in the series. Answer 513. 13. The sum of two numbers is 25 and the difference is 13. Find their product. Answer 114. 14. Water flows through a horizontal pipe of vary cross section at the rate of 0.3 meter power 3 s power minus 1. The velocity of water at a point where the area of cross section of the pipe is 0.01 meter square. Answer C. 15. Which one of the following cell is feasible? Answer D. 16. Which compound is used as smoke screen? Answer pH3. 17. The first human heart transplant was performed by the Professor Christian Bernard in the year. Answer 1967. 18. Match the following. Answer A4, B3, C1, D2. 19. Which one of the following landform is not associated with wind deposition? Answer drumlins. 20. Which one of the pass connects the coastal plains of Kerala with Tamil Nadu? Answer Palghat. 21. Answer A4, B3, C2, D1. 22. Economics was on one side a study of wealth and on the other and more important side a part of the study of man. Who said these words? Answer Alfred Marshall. 23. All history is a history of class struggle. Who said? Answer Karl Marx. 24. Low capital formation is one of the basic causes of poverty in underdeveloped countries. Who said these words? Answer Ragnar Nurks. 25. The population growth of India has been increased from 38.5 million in 1901 to dash million in 2001. Answer 1027. 26. The 3 annual plans were implemented in India during the year. Answer 1966 to 1969. 27. The election process in the state level is supervised by. Answer Chief Electoral Officer. 28. Which of the following not included in right to freedom? Answer practice own religion and conserve own culture. 29. The Constituent Assembly took the following time in preparing the Constitution. Answer 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. 30. Which of the following statements are correct? Answer 1, 2, both. 31. The tenure of members of Legislative Council is. Answer 6 years. 32. R.H. Whittaker classified living organisms into dash kingdoms. Answer 5. 33. 12th International Botanical Congress was held at Leningrad, USSR in July. Answer 1975. 34. Dash and dash families are grouped under the division Monandria. Answer Zingiberaceae and Anacaridés. 35. What is the correct chronology of dynasties that ruled Vijayanagar? Answer Sangama, Saluva, Tuluva, Aravidu. 36. Match the following. Answer A1, B4, C2, D3. 37. Match the following. Answer A4, B1, C2, D3. 38. Pick out the wrong statement about Justice Party. Answer 2 and 3 only. 39. When was the All India Trade Union Congress established at Bombay? Answer 1929. 40. Arrange the following items according to the chronological order. Answer 1, 4, 2, 3. 41. Who has appointed as Rajya Sabha TV editor-in-chief? Answer Rahul Mahajan. 42. 42. In which place the CRPF launched a bike ambulance initiative for providing basic health care? Answer Chhattisgarh. 43. Dash has signed MOU with Union Ministry of Mines for setting highest revenue target for the financial year 2018 to 19. Answer NALCO. 44. How many countries are currently members of the United Nations Organization? Answer 193. 45. Which is called as Indian flying fox? Answer Indian fruit bat. 46. The only country in the world with the tree capital cities is? Answer South Africa. 47. Which country was the first to introduce GST? Answer France. 48. Which year the Organization of Islamic Cooperation was established? Answer 1969. 49. The 23rd Winter Olympics was held at? Answer A. 50. Consider the given figure. Answer B. 51. The sum of two numbers is 2000 and their LCM is 21,879. Find the numbers. Answer C. 52. Find the missing term in the series. Answer 468. 53. The market price of new brand watch is 15% higher than its original price. Due to increase in demand, the price is further increased by 10%. How much profit will be obtained in selling the watch in percentage? Answer 26.5%. 54. The simple interest on a sum of money is 1 by 9. The principal and the number of years is equal to the rate percent per annum. The rate percent per annum is? Answer 3 1 by 3. 55. 2 men and 7 boys can do a piece of work in 14 days. 3 men and 8 boys can do the same work in 11 days. 8 men and 6 boys can do 3 times the amount of work in? Answer 21 days. 56. The simplest form of 92 by 115 is? Answer 4 by 5. 57. The LCM of two numbers is 48. The numbers are in the ratio 2:3. Find the sum of the numbers. Answer 40. 58. The diameter of a sphere is 6 meter. Its hemisphere will have a volume of? Answer 18 pi. 59. At what rate of compound interest per annum will sum of rupees 1200 become rupees 1348.32 in 2 years? Answer 6%. 60. The perimeter of rectangle is 60 meter. If its length is twice its breadth, then its area is? Answer 200 meter square. 61. The population of a town increased from 1,75,000 to 2,62,500 in a decade. Percent increase. The average percent increase of population per year is? Answer 5%. 62. Comment about the above statements. Answer both 1 and 2 are true. 63. Name the constellation which can be seen during the months of July and August. Answer Saptarisi. 64. SI unit for magnetic induction is? Answer D. 65. Match the following and choose the correct option. Answer A3, B1, C4, D2. 66. Passing vapors of ethyl alcohol over heated alumina gives? Answer diethyl ether. 67. Match the following. Answer A4, B1, C3, D2. 68. Kala Azar is caused by? Answer Leishmania donovani. 69. Which one is the longest river in peninsular India? Answer Godavari. 70. Which is the native place of eucalyptus? Answer Australia. 71. The production of phytoplankton is reduced due to? Answer depletion of ozone layer. 72. Education is? Answer consumption and investment. 73. The Structural Adjustment Facility SAF of IBRD for its member countries was introduced in the year? Answer 1985. 74. All economic life involves planning. Who said these words? Answer Lionel Robbins. 75. Rajya Sabha consists of dash members? Answer 250. 76. How many village panchayat in Tamil Nadu? Answer 12,619. 77. Whose report is hailed as the Magna Carta of the Panchayat Raj system? Answer Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. 78. Indian Constitution came into force on? Answer 26 January 1950. 79. Who appoints the governor of a state? Answer President. 80. Who is the political head of the corporation? Answer Mayor. 81. The branch of Madras High Court was started at Madurai in the year? Answer 2004. 82. Match the following. Answer A3, B1, C2, D4. 83. Who was the first Governor General of India? Answer William Bentinck. 84. The term democracy was first used by? Answer Herodotus. 85. Which movement was started for the social and educational advancement of the Muslim in India? Answer The Aligarh movement. 86. Which was the first uprising against the alien rule in India? Answer: Sannyasi Andolan. 87. Who presided over the Surat session of the Indian National Congress in 1907? Answer: Ras Behari Bose. 88. The Indian woman who participated in the second round table conference was Answer: Sarojini Naidu. 89. Who was the founder of Indian Independence League? Answer: Raj Behari Bose. 90. In Commonwealth Games 2018, who wins the gold medal in 10-meter air pistol? Answer: Jitu Rai. 91. Which is the first planned city in India? Answer: Chandigarh. 92. Which is the cleanliest temple in India which is selected under the Swachh Bharat mission? Answer: Meenakshi Amman Temple, Tamil Nadu. 93. The name of the operation by Indian Army to push back infiltrators in the Kargil war is Answer: Operation Vijay. 94. Who won first Miss World from India? Answer: Rita Faria. 95. Which of the following persons are awarded Padma Awards by Government of India in 2018? Select the appropriate answer. Answer: 1, 2 and 4 are correct. 96. Which day is celebrated as International Yoga Day? Answer: 21st June. 97. WHO's comprehensive plan to eliminate trans fat in foods by 2023 is Answer: Replace. 98. Which was the first state in India to be created on the basis of language? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. 99. Which is the first World Heritage City of India placed in the list declared by UNESCO? Answer: Ahmedabad. 100. When did Reserve Bank of India commence its operations? Answer: 1935.